Hello, my name is Jānis Zaržeckis. I'm plastic surgeon from Riga, Latvia, and my specialty is hand, plastic and reconstructive surgery. I would like to introduce you with techniques which are available in my private hospital in Ādaži regarding the aging face. And if you are looking at the mirror or doing online conversations with your friends and you see your face and you don't like how it appears and you feel younger as you look in a mirror. So it's possible with the surgical techniques to make your appearance younger, and I would like to tell you how it's possible to do it. With the age on body, on a face, we start to have too much skin, and skin sagging is a basic problem. What determines you start to look old, and that's pretty straightforward. If you look at the person in front of you and you see the V shape, that's young, that's geometry. If you see the square, the cheeks are sagging down, and if you look more or less like square, that means you're old. And the facelift is a procedure when you get rid of extra skin and really improve your geometry of your face, turning from square to V shape. And name of this procedure is facelift. It's well known, and there is a different techniques how you can perform. I will tell you about my preferred technique, which is not traumatic and which heals fast and gives a really good, long-lasting and predictable results. If you're interested how to proceed, it's possible to come to Riga for consultation, and then we do face-to-face consultation, and I will tell you all likelihood of success in your particular case, because not this procedure is good for everybody, because not the one key not fits in all door. The same is with this procedure, and some people are very good candidates for this procedure, and likelihood of success is really good. Surgery itself, to proceed, you get to come to our private hospital Ādaži, which is located 30 minutes driving from Riga city, and it's well equipped to do this procedure safely. My patients who come to Ādaži in operating theater, my anesthetist will put them in a sleep, and I add some lidocaine before starting the surgery to make necessary to do the less to give the less amount of drugs during the narcosis. And another good thing of this lidocaine is the patient wakes up and it's no pain at all in early post-operative period. In my hands, the surgical procedure lasts little more than 1 hour to improve face shape, geometry and neck as well. Incision line starts in temporal area, it's hidden in the ear, and the rounds go the earlobe and finish the hair-bearing part of the neck. And the skin is lifted and pulled up, and I do the optimization of the I do some undermining and lift up a little bit the tissue under the laying under the face to make this result more long lasting. Extra skin is removed, and the cosmetic stitch is absorbable, which is placed accordingly. After the surgery, patient got to stay one overnight in a clinic. The head is wrapped with compressive bandages and the small drain tubes behind the ears, and my nurses will take the best care of the patient. And very next morning, everything is removed in drains, and patient is ready to go to complete the treatment out of the clinic. Healing is quite fast. It takes approximately 1 week for sutures to be healed. And the suture material is absorbable. That means there is no need to take away stitches. And the first days, the face and the neck could be swollen, it could be some breathing, some swellings, but they are gone quite fast. In 2, maximum 3 weeks time, all is settled. But if the patient goes out of my clinic, you can see the result right away. Instead of the square, the geometry is completely different. And even to looking to the person from a long distance, you see he's not all that tall anymore. And the patient's pictures will fit in the family album 10 years ago. The result is quite long-lasting. It's good for about 10 years. It depends on the quality of the skin. Every patient is different. An aging continues. And some of my patients come back in 10 years' time to my office and say, Doc, that was damn good, can you do it again? And of course, if there is extra skin, we can repeat this procedure, no worries. Regarding the bad stuff of this procedure is complications, which is to the complications regarding the medication, some allergic reactions. Surgery itself, as I told, can give some swellings, breathings, and sometimes less than 1% in my patients we can have behind the ear some inflammation of the suture, heals with inflammation. It just means it will heal anyway for 100%, but it might take longer, a little bit more patience from the patient side and more care from my side. But all patients who got the facelift healed well and got what they wanted. And if you're looking at the mirror and you think you need this procedure, you're welcome. And regarding the planning, we are available for consultations. You can send your pictures via email. We can give you suggestions. And if you plan to come to Riga, mind the length of the stay for such a procedure is like 7, but better 10 days staying in Riga. And then you can complete the consultation, the lab tests before the surgery, and in 7 or 8 or 10 days you can, in younger appearance, travel home. Thank you so much for listening and watching, and bye.